Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. Why is my computer showing in the background? Today I'm going to be vlogging. I don't think I've ever vlogged on my channel. Like, I think the only vlog I had, I actually put it on private when I went to California like 5 years ago. But I decided today that I'm going to vlog because why not? I am actually about to go to my friend's house, Avina's house. She's actually going to whiten my teeth. I've never ever gotten my teeth whitened. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, girl, subscribe to my channel, or boy, subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video, comment down below ideas on what you want to see on my channel. Okay, turn on your post notification on so you never ever miss an upload. My headbands are from lumispice.com. they're going to be available soon, and also my eyelashes are also lumispice.com. This is in the style Cocoa. I love them. Like, guys, they are so bomb, so pretty. I just realized I'm not wearing earrings, but that's okay. I don't want to like overdo my jewelry today. I've been really loving stacked up necklaces. I don't know what like the real name for it, but these are from Pretty Little Thing. Guys, I still have my tan marks. Pray for me, girl. I'm so excited to get my teeth whitened, and the fact that my friend is doing it is also like a plus. I'm really happy that now I have someone to whiten my teeth. I'm so proud of Avina. Avina, if you're watching this video, girl, I'm so proud of you. She is the owner of Allure Aesthetics on Instagram. If you live in a DMV area and you need like fillers on your lips, teeth bling, maybe I'll try that today. I'm gonna ask her if I could try that because I want like some, you know, some bling on my teeth. That would be so fun. And she also do teeth whitening. I am so like excited because now I get to like, I don't know how people vlog, okay? My hands are hurting like crazy. But I'm so excited she started this business because now I can just like get in my car and drive 20 minutes and whiten my teeth and do what I gotta do. We're about to head to Avina's house, so I'm really excited to take you guys with me so you can like spend the evening with me and like meet my friend. So let's head to Avina's house and see what she's gonna do today. I'm really excited. This dog is on crack. Guys, this is Avina's dog. Black as shit. This is a setup. Okay. Okay, bitch. Oh shit, it's so dark. It's still dark. She wanna get herself together. Look at this bitch. She dressed like a thot. She dressing like a thot. Oh, you like the show? It's 90 Day Fiance, right? This show is so dumb. Like, no, I beg. How you want me to smoke hookah and I'm about to get my teeth whitened? Oh yeah, shit. Bitch, what? Hey, it's a chat. Hey, look at this. Come. Her cage is locked. She can't come outside. I will let her out. She gonna jump on Bella the bitch. Bella is the real bitch out here. Among all of us, she's the real bitch. The dog is looking like the men I like. That is a female, so you must like it. No, the color. Her color is giving me. I like my man black. Hey, okay, let's see my teeth now. This is what it looks like. Before and after. She's gonna take a before and after picture for me. Look at this, professional. Hey, professional. Let's see you. She about to go wash her hands. I'm excited. My makeup is looking bum diggity. got home, guys. Look at my teeth. Like, guys, do y'all see my teeth? Do y'all see my teeth? Like, is it blinding y'all or what? Is it blinding y'all or what? Guys, my teeth. I can't take it. Oh my gosh. My teeth is so white. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Like, I don't even have coffee stains. I drink coffee like every day and I don't even have any stains right now. Like, this is perfect. Avena did such a great job. Like, oh my god, I can't wait for her to launch. She launched in October, so you guys please look out for that. I'm gonna link down her Instagram and also her business page as well down below, so you guys can definitely like check her out. If you live in the DMV area, DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, guys, this is amazing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, this small vlog. I hope you guys like enjoyed it. If you want me to do more vlogs and like chit chat videos, let me know down below and I'll definitely do it. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Also turn in your post notification on so you never ever miss an upload. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting my channel and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine.